Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyways, today we have a DIY Christmas decoration for y'all. So what you're going to need is a jar. This is just a fettuccine sauce jar, and take off the label and clean it out real good. So, okay, then you're going to need paint, and this is the paint, and then glue. Just glue, and then some spray glue, and then glitter of your choice. And obviously paint of the color of your choice. I am using blue paint and then just that type of glue. Then you're also going to need blue glitter, and then I'm also using some silver glitter. You can use whatever color is your glitter as well. Then some paint brushes. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into making this. So what you're going to do is you're going to either take the paint or the glue first. So we're going to go ahead and start by taking some paint, and we're just going to draw one X, and then we're going to put another line through it. So we're drawing snowflakes, even if they don't look that good with some paint. I'm gonna grab these other paint brushes here and draw some other ones. It's some different size paint brushes. To have some different size snowflakes. Like so. I'm going to grab another paintbrush as well. That one I just broke. Can't see it because it's off camera, but I will show you. See, I broke that paintbrush. Because I'm going to take this, and now we're going to take some glue, and we're going to draw a snowflake in here with the glue. So I'm going to use a little bit more glue than that. Then we're going to take our silver glitter. Also, you will need a tea light candle of some sort, whatever kind you want, if I forgot to mention that. This glitter does have a hole in it, so we're just going to put it on like that, because there's a hole because that glitter is broken. I'm going to go ahead and put another glitter snowflake on here as well. I'm going to shake this off now. That's what it looks like so far. And obviously you can wipe off the glitter after they're dry. Now I'm going to be also taking some of the blue glitter. And then I'm going to go over the regular snowflakes with the glue. Actually, one second. This one should be dry, but I want the bigger. So I'm just going to take some glue. Actually, this isn't. Okay, maybe not. I'm not going to do that. But I'm going to take some glue and do a few more silver snowflakes. Just kind of paint them. However, and it doesn't matter. They don't have to be perfect. And then just kind of let it sit there, and then shake off the glitter. And it actually looks really cute so far. I really like how it's turning out. Like it if you like how this looks so far. Then I think I'm going to add some more blue snowflakes with a couple smaller ones, like one here. Actually, yeah, one here. I like that. And I think I'm going to add a snowflake down here that's silver. Doesn't have to be perfect. There are snowflakes. Snowflakes aren't perfect in real life. Just do it till you get where you want it, and then once you have it where you want it, add your glitter. Looks really cute so far. But I'm not finished with it, so now I'm gonna hopefully you guys see this. I like it so far, so now I'm going to move it without ruining it, the jar, I'm going to kind of hold it though so you guys can kind of see better a little bit what I am painting. So I'm going to go ahead and just pretty much do the same thing. Just put some snowflakes on the jar. So cute. You can do, like, I like to do a few big snowflakes and a few small snowflakes. So some of them look better than others, obviously, but it's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can always touch it up too. You can get it where you want it to make it look a little bit better or whatever. I think we're gonna put some small snowflakes on now. And the blue. This is actually turning out really cute. I really like it so far. You guys should like this video if you guys like it so far. I think we need like a small snowflake there, but I think I'm going to use glitter. So now we're going to do the glue. I'm sorry this video is a little bit long. Okay, so I think I need to add just a little bit more glue. Okay. And shake it off. Didn't mean to put a bunch of glitter on. Kind of got some glitter on. It's okay if you mess up a little bit. But now we're going to go back to the first part. And I'm going to take my glue brush and we're going to add some glue on top of the paint. Just a little bit. You'll see why in a minute. Now we're going to take this blue glue. And we're going to add a little bit of this blue glitter to the blue snowflakes. That looks really good so far. I mean, obviously I could touch it up some, but actually I have an ideal. Okay, you guys, this isn't done yet, but so far it looks so good. At least I like it. If you don't like it, it's fine too. Okay, so now, okay, I'm gonna paint a few more snowflakes and just some different shapes and sizes. So I'm just gonna I'm going to paint this side too, but I'm going to add a couple more tiny snowflakes on the side that I just did. I'm going to add the little glitter one right here. Silver glitter. I'm just going to add some of that silver glitter on there. So now I just have this side of the jar left to do. Hopefully you guys can tell. Hopefully this is in focus. It's in autofocus right now, so Now we're just gonna finish painting this up and then we're gonna add some glitter at the end. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you made it this far, and you might as well subscribe. Especially if you're not yet. And I'm going to add a few small glitter snowflakes. There's the glitter. Yeah, there's also like a little bit of ASMR in this as well. I really like how this has turned out so far. I think there should be glitter snowflake. There needs to be like one like right here. I'm going to turn it and see if I find any other place that I need to add glitter or snowflake, a small snowflake, and then I'm going to add a small snowflake here. So far this looks really cute. I really like it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, because I thought of this while I was doing this, is just take the blue glitter and some glue. So I'm just going to put some glue in some spots like on the edges that don't have glitter necessarily, like, and just kind of add some glitter onto those spots. Just add some glue first. Or I could also use the spray glue too. Just be careful with the glue and the paint. Also put napkins down, especially if you don't want to ruin anything. Oh, that looks so good. I really like how this looks so far. I really love this. Looks so good to me. If it doesn't look good to you, that's okay. I like it. That's all that matters, alright? Alright. And then I'm just going to finish this off by adding a little bit more blue glitter. And then one last pull to add some glitter. And then you can always reuse the glitter if you can. And try to at least. And then add some blue glitter here. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to kind of get you a better angle, make sure you guys can. That's what it looks like. I think it looks really good. One second. There's a better angle. This is what it looks like. Yeah, you kind of are seeing the glitter underneath, but this is what it looks like so far. So now I'm going to take the spray glue, do this in a well-ventilated area. Be careful. Just to kind of get some of that glitter to stay on. That's already on there. It looks so good. Now just kind of, you're gonna let that dry. Okay, but this looks so, I love how this turned out. Hopefully you guys do. If you try this, you can also paint the lid, but you don't have to. You don't even have to put the lid on. I mean, I might paint the lid later. Might not. And then here's what it looks like with the tea light candles. You can get a white one. But I actually kind of like how that, I actually really like how that looks. And then I could paint the lid with blue or with the snowflake on top if I wanted to, but I really like how this looks. So I'm going to get you guys a better view of how it looks here in a second. There's how it looks standing up. It looks so good. It looks so cute too. Just look at that. So good. And you can paint the lid. I might end up painting the lid, might not. Anyways, thank you all for watching. You can take that glitter and just put it back in whatever if you want to save the glitter. But you don't have to. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully this helped you with the Christmas themed DIY or Christmassy DIY snowflakes winter themed DIY. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. See y'all. Have a great, beautiful, and wonderful day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. See y'all.